Just like these bizarre flashing lights, this phenomena continues to sweep the earth. I received videos today, and I've been receiving them nonstop since November of 2024. John Slay out of Swanton, Vermont, come up on this building, and you can see this is not a bulb issue. The entire building, all the lights were flashing on the outside of the building. Made absolutely no sense. Here's example number 2. 2 different videos, 2 different people, David B. and Tumble, came up on these lights that were flashing for unknown reasons. And they said they normally don't flash. They're normally just on. Farmington, Missouri, John also came up on a couple of lights that were flashing that don't normally flash. He noticed a parking lot light, and then that light you just saw, a recess light underneath the entrance of that building. And again, these normally don't blink. They're normally just on. Example number 4, Mr. UFO Man, not sure of the location. This is his neighbor's house. He was out on his back patio, looked over in his neighbor's backyard, and normally, as he said, those lights are just on, but for some reason that night, and it was only that night, they were flashing. Oshawa, Ontario, Darren noticed a street light in this community right here that was flashing for unknown reasons, and again, it's normally just on, not flashing or flickering like we've been seeing now all around the world. The phenomena continues to sweep the earth, and it doesn't show any signs of slowing down anytime soon. And I have a brand new sky phenomena video slideshow to share with you guys. The first video was sent in by Jennifer Mischke out of northern Kentucky. She was filming the moon, and this appeared in the video. I don't know if that's some sort of a mysterious reflection or if there was indeed a secondary moon in the nighttime sky. George R. out of Punta Gorda, Florida, looked up and saw this sky at sunset. Very dramatic beams spanning across the sky, very thick beams. Pismo Beach, Florida, Pamela, and that was the original photo. I didn't do anything to that except put her name on it. Next photo is out of Missouri by Aaron. More dramatic, gigantic beams spanning across the sky at either sunrise or sunset, and you can see those right there were more than likely influenced by those tall clouds. Another photo by Aaron out of Missouri. He was filming the moon when this appeared in the photo. He didn't see it actually happen. He noticed it after the fact, and I'm not quite sure what happened here. I don't know if that was an insect that maybe made contact with the lens of his camera. If it was an insect, it was round, a very unusual shape. Not sure what was going on there. Oregon sky, V sent this in. It was just a blotch of color in the sky. Didn't look like a rainbow, didn't look like a halo, just a large, as they described, a blotch of orange, yellow, green, and light purple. The Kingster out of Withamsville, Ohio, looked up and saw this unusual cloud in the sky above Ohio just a few days ago. Shared that with me. I'm sharing it with you guys. Alex out of North Portland, Oregon, sent in this photo of the moon, and he noticed something at the 10 o'clock position up here. I don't know if that was a cloud, but there doesn't appear to be any other clouds in the sky. Something mysterious showed up in the photo at the 10 o'clock position of the crescent moon visible from Portland, Oregon. Here's another view of the moon. This one was orange through wildfire smoke by Skultar out of Nova Scotia, Canada. Great job, guys. Keep the photos and videos coming. Over here at the homepage of the website, today's feature photo was sent in by Ray Bear. Not sure of the location, but that was one highly photogenic storm system moving through his area. A triple-decker shelf cloud directly above his house. Look at how low to the ground that thing was. Absolutely incredible. If you guys have any photos you'd like to share, you can send those to reports at MrMBB333.com. If you have any videos you'd like to share that are too large to attach to the email, come over here to the homepage of the website. Look for this red tab that says Have a Large Video. It's a Dropbox. Drag and drop your videos into the Dropbox. Please include your first name, date, and location, and I'll take it from there. Thanks for watching. Have a super day, and be safe out there.